back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be trying something very different. I got the split end trimmer from TikTok, and if you have been on the natural hair side of YouTube for a while, you know that Amber Ansah, I don't know how to pronounce her name, I hope I'm pronouncing her last name correctly, tried it a long time ago. But when she tried it, it was over $100, and me, I don't think I wanted to spend that much money on that, you know, if it didn't work for my hair or cut all my hair off. So I was like, you know, I'm not gonna do it. But on TikTok shop, it was only $20. So I was like, why not try it? If it don't work, it's just $20, you know. But yeah, and it's also around the time for me to cut my split ends, because I set a timer for every 6 to 8 weeks on my phone, so I can know to keep up on my trims, because at first I was not keeping up with them. I was just trimming when my hair got bad, and that's not good. So I'm trying to keep up on them, and it's time for me to do my next trim. So I thought, why not try this? And if it don't work, I can just trim it regular, you know. So that's what we're gonna do. But before I start with this, I want to tell you what products I used for my wash day already. I used the Eva & Co conditioner to detangle my hair before I shampooed. Then I shampooed with the I think the clarifying shampoo from As I Am twice, and then I deep conditioned with the Eva & Co hydrating deep conditioner and deep mask, because I like those products a lot. And if you watch my last video, you would know that I love those products. So what I'm going to go do now is blow out my hair, because I seen people on TikTok trying it on blown out hair. So I figured if I blow out my hair, I can, you know, do it on it instead of trying to flat iron my hair, because I really don't feel like flat ironing my hair right now. So I'm going to blow out my hair, and then I'll come back so we can try this. But before I do that, I'm going to unbox it so y'all can see what's in it and stuff. So okay, this is it. I got it in the color gray. I didn't want to get it in a dark color because I wanted to be able to see like if my hairs were in there or not. And they say, okay, you unlock it by pressing the button up, and then you okay, I got so scared from the sound that I forgot to show you what else came with it. And this is the charging area. I think it's a USB-C, and they also said that you can use it while you're charging, but I am not gonna do that. And it also came with clips. Came with 2 clips, but I feel like my hair is not going to be held back by these 2 clips, so with my hair blow dried it might. And it also came with the charger, of course, and lastly is the little brush to get the hairs out of the blade and stuff, to clean it up. And I seen somebody say on TikTok you should do it like in a spot where you can easily get hair up, because sometimes, you know, it comes out of the thing. Hey y'all, I'm back, and it's the next day, and I just want you to know I didn't feel like blowing out my hair last night because I knew I was gonna have to get up for work. So I was like, I don't want to do it. So what I did do was just blow out my hair last night, and then just a little bit. I went over one section just to see what it was like, because I was like, I want to try it, but I don't want to do my whole head. So I didn't do my whole head, but I did try it, and it didn't cut off my hair. So we're seeming good, we're seeming good. So now I'm just gonna try to do my whole head, and like I said on TikTok, they were saying to do like a pass over a couple times, so I'm gonna do that. And also I feel like the sections in the back of my hair or the back of my head is the worst, because the back of my hair touches like all my shirts and jackets and hoodies and stuff, so it rubs on the cotton and it's not good for your hair. So I feel like that's why the back of my head is the worst, so it's gonna need, you know, the most attention. So here we go. Crazy right now, but I finished using the split end trimmer, and I must say it is not all that they was making it out to be. I mean, if you look in there is some hair in there, and that was from my whole head, so that's really not a lot, but I feel like this is how much it cut off. I feel like that wasn't, it didn't do a good enough job for my hair, and it's probably because I need an actual cut trim, like actual, you know, go in there with scissors trim. So that's probably why it didn't do the best it could for my hair, which is why I'm still going to, you know, go in and cut it. But my hair does feel better from this. Like, it feels good all the way from the roots to the tip, so that's a good thing. So I like it, you know, but I also feel like it was very much so overhyped, because if I still gotta go in and use my scissors to do the cut, is it really cutting my split ends? I don't think so. So I'm finna cut my split ends how I normally do. Okay, I cut my split ends, and this is what it's looking like. And yeah, so I don't know how I'm gonna style my hair yet, but when I do style it, you'll probably see it. So as of right now, my feelings for this, I feel like it's more of a maintenance thing. Like, if you already got a cut from your beautician or something like that, and you like, my hair feeling a little bad, my ends feeling a little bad, just run that over there. Instead of like cutting it, you can just run that over there. That's what I feel like it's for. Like, if you ain't seen your beautician in a while, but the last time you seen your beautician, you got a cut, like, maybe that's what that's for. But I feel like if you're a person who got bad split ends, baby, do not try that. Do not, because it's not gonna get it how it's supposed to be got, and you still gonna have split ends. So it'll be good for you to either do it by yourself like how I do it, or go to the beautician to get it done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on this video. Just wanted to try the split end trimmer like everybody else was. Is it worth it? I don't know. I feel like it probably works on other people's hair better than mine, but for me, in my experience, I feel like it was a fun experiment, but other than that, no. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. But before you leave, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click that little bell button so you never miss the next time I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.